back from picking up the Walmart order, you're probably gonna hear kids around me. I'm on my own for the next couple of days while my husband's working out of town. So you're gonna hear him in the background. But I'm not sure what the total is for this Walmart haul right now. I'd have to go check the email that they send out with final totals on things, because I had to go back and add some things that I had forgotten, and then tax and all the things. So I'll put it up on the screen what my total actually came to. My Aldi haul came to $302. I did that yesterday, and that video is already up if you want to see the other half of these groceries. I'm going to give kind of the same very quick small speech. We grow a ton of food. We just put in a permaculture orchard this year. We have berries coming out of the orchard already. We have lots of veggies that are just about ready to come out of the garden. So there's not a lot of fruits and vegetables in this haul, but that's because we're growing them, so we don't need to purchase. So you're gonna see that there's a huge gap missing. We do eat those things. We're growing them right now, so I don't need to purchase them. And because I'm not purchasing those things, I like to buy other things and try to stock up, put them on the shelf during this time of year. That way, heading into the winter months and school starting up, I have kind of things backstocked and ready to go. And then my grocery budget doesn't really have to go up in winter months when we're not growing a lot of our own food, because we have to buy more fresh things from the store. So that's that. So let's hop in. I'm gonna start here. We never buy bottled water. However, Wisconsin is supposed to be really bad in the month of July for tornadoes, high wind storms, rain, thunderstorms, flooding. They're kind of calling for all of it right now. We do have a generator now. Sit down for a second. Baby's on my lap here. But we had a really bad power outage in April that left our area without power for over a week. We didn't have a generator before that. Now we do. And living that experience, it is worth it to have some bottled water on the shelf. It's never something that we've ever stocked before. It's always those things that I've watched other people say stock water, and I've always gone, yeah, nah, it's never something I really consider to be a priority. And now living it, it's a priority. Make sure you have water on your shelf. So I got 340 packs of bottled water. Those are gonna go right downstairs, right in food storage. We will slowly drink them throughout the year, and I'll make sure that once a year we're at least rotating them. And how I'm gonna make sure that I'm rotating them is I'm just gonna put an X on all of these packages and maybe label them with a date or something. That way I know, and I can make sure that we're rotating them every 6 months. Every 6 months or every year or something like that. Making sure that we always have good water on the shelf. I know you can can water. I do want to try to do that when I'm learning how to use my pressure canner, but this is in case I don't have time to do that. It's already July. I haven't had time to do it. My husband's been working out of town a lot, and he's going to be working out of town a lot, at least for the near future. So I don't know if I'm going to have the time to really sit down and figure out how to use my pressure canner while doing all the other things that need to be done on top of all the things that he would normally be taking care of. So I don't know if this is my season. So that's a bottled water spiel. 40 times 3, whatever that math is. That's how many bottles. I also got 2 cases of soda, 4th of July weekend. I mentioned my brother's coming home this month as well, so he's gonna be here, and I just wanted to have these for like a fun weekend thing. Obviously these are gonna last a lot longer than the weekend, but as they're here when my husband's coming home for the 4th of July, and then he's going back on the road, and he'll be gone for maybe another week or so. So when he leaves, he'll probably take this Pepsi with him and just keep it in his hotel room with him, and he can take it with him because nobody else here is gonna drink it, and then I'll keep my Diet Coke. I got this because my husband's working out of town, like I've said 3 times, and sometimes a midday Diet Coke just really helps push you through the rest of the day. So that's what this is. You do have to be careful with keeping peanut butter long term because nuts do go rancid, but one of the things I want to do better at stocking up on is oils and things like that, and this is kind of what peanut butter is. We go through a lot of this all year round, so I just opened my other one. This is gonna go downstairs on the storage shelf. I've been loving these tuna kits. I go in seasons with these, and I love them. I talked about recently in my Aldi haul, I like to take the sweet and spicy one and put a scoop or 2, like a tablespoon or 2 of cottage cheese in it, mixed up, and I'll eat it right out of the packet. Loving that. But my 2 favorite are sweet and spicy and lemon pepper. We have some of my husband's favorites still sitting in the pantry, So we just stocked up on those. 2-pound thing of tater tots. Just, I don't remember if I got this for a casserole or just for sides, but I got it. 2 things of chicken nuggets, easy lunches, easy dinner if I need to. So this is for the month. This is something that I'm taking advantage of to get on the shelf because I don't normally buy these things, but the kids and my husband love chicken and a biscuit. Absolutely love them. We don't always get them. So now that I have the extra room in my grocery budget, I'm gonna get, you know, a couple boxes of different things and get them up on the shelf so that we have them for when we want them, and that's one of these things. I'm doing the same thing with cereal this month. So I got a thing of like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Raisin Bran, which is my husband's go-to, and then like Fruity Pebble, or Fruit Loops. That's what those are, Fruit Loops. That's what the kids really like. So 3 bags of these. These are all gonna go downstairs on the storage shelf, and we'll pull them out kind of as we want them, as we need them. And there. This is the one vegetable mix that I did pick up. It's a sugar snap pea stir fry. Our snap peas did terrible. Well, not terrible, I shouldn't say that. But we didn't grow enough to be able to have them come into the house because the kids are eating them right off the vine, which is totally fine. But I wanted this, so we picked. My kids and I really like these chewy yogurt granola bars. They like these a lot. Come in the school year for like a breakfast. If they don't want a hot breakfast. Every once in a while, my kids and I both really like these chewy yogurt bars. There's strawberry and blueberry. Really great. Sometimes you don't always want a hot breakfast, and this will work with like cherries or a peach or whatever, banana. And my kids also like these in their lunch boxes come the school year, so I'm just going to get these. I'll take a couple of them, put them in the pantry up here, and the rest of the box is going to go downstairs on a storage shelf. 2 things of blueberry muffin mix. I still have some on the storage shelf. We're not going through these as fast. We're not going through these as fast now that the school year is over, but I'm still buying them to keep them stocked up. I also got 2 boxes of these, but one of my daughters is handing them out as a quick snack. So 9 peanut butter, 9 chocolate chip, 6 more. Same thing, I'll put a couple of these in the pantry upstairs. The rest of these will go downstairs. My husband might take some of these with him to keep in his hotel. Same thing, so just to stock up while I can. Big thing of carrots. I am growing carrots right now. They are totally fine for picking and having a snack, but they're not far enough along for cooking or anything yet, so there's that. Here are my big old thing of pierogies. We talked about these in my meal plan. I think this is what I'm going to do for dinner tonight with some kielbasa and some broccoli or something. But it's like a rainy, dreary day. It's supposed to rain all day. We're going to take advantage of today. During garden season, I take advantage of these rainy days. It worked out. I let everybody sleep in a little bit. Went and got groceries. It's noon now. We're going to take the rest of our day. We're going to deep clean bedrooms, take care of some things that really need to be taken care of. So a really easy sheet pan dinner tonight will be perfect. Just enjoy the day and watch some movies, hang out, eat some popcorn. These are some of my favorite days, just very slow. They are what I like to call lazily productive days. You're not in a rush, you have a list of things you need to get done, and you just kind of casually go through the day and get them done. So I'm really happy with. But these are classic cheddar. They had some other ones. I just went plain. I'm really excited about these 48 pierogies. I could see myself repurchasing these as long as my family really likes them, which I think they will. This was, I think, $11. So when we clean, we'll find it, okay? She's not gonna stop it. Don't cry. We will find it, okay? But these came to like $11. Not terrible. So it hurt my soul at first, but I think these are gonna be worth the $11. 4 things of heavy cream, that's what I need. Whenever I make gravies, we like to throw a splash of cream in it. We like cream gravies. We do this a lot with venison. It's our favorite way to eat it. We'll do that over rice or mashed potatoes. My favorite is over pasta. But most of this goes to making homemade coffee creamer. And these last forever. Today's July 2nd, and they are literally good until September. My camera won't focus, but you're gonna have to take my word for it. They're good until September. These last forever in the fridge. We got 2 more things of root beer. Those were the kids' favorite popsicles that we did, and my husband loved them, so we're doing them again. These are gonna go downstairs. We can also do root beer floats. They're just nice to have, and these are still on rollback. So 2, 4, 6 loaves for the month. Not too bad. Some household items. I got a big thing of paper plates. Same thing, you guys. These were really nice to have on the shelf when the power went out and we didn't have the generator for the first like 2 days. And then for that whole 8 days, we pretty much used paper plates. That way I didn't have to worry about using water or running the generator. We could keep the generator just going to keep like the house warm and certain lights on, certain rooms all hooked up, our bathrooms running, and I didn't have to worry about washing dishes. So we got these. Plus it is 4th of July weekend. They'll be nice to have. A couple things of string cheese for snacks for the kids. We also, my family loves it when I take string cheese and put them in the crust to do stuffed crust pizzas when we make homemade pizzas. My husband also recently started using these to make mozzarella sticks, so lots of uses for these. A couple more household items. I'm stocking up on more soap for the kids just to put on the shelf. I started doing gel nails and my nail polish remover was not adequate, so I got one specifically for gel nails, and then the kids needed more as well for when I do the girls' nails, so I got them this one. And then I figured once this is empty, I'll just fill it with the gel nail polish remover and it'll be good. 2 things of shredded Parmesan. I'm trying to get away from the shaky can, but that shaky can is so convenient. So we got 2 of these. Big thing of sour cream for the month. Just 1 thing of goldfish to put on the storage shelf. Really easy snack. I stocked up on pastas, you guys, for a very long time. I wanted to say for like 2 years, maybe 3 years. I made almost all, I'm gonna say like 97% of our pasta fresh from scratch. I have a pasta maker. I got out of the habit of it, and then now it's garden season. It's very busy. Coming winter time, I will probably go back to making more of my pasta from scratch fresh. It's very easy. I absolutely love to do it, but I don't always have the mental energy for it. So I stocked up 3 things of small shells. Our new found favorite is orzo. We made it last month. And everybody really liked it. Everybody really liked it. My husband said this is awesome. I've made this with fish 2 times and my husband loves it. So I got 4 things of orzo for the shelf. 3 things of bow ties for the shelf. 4 things of rigatoni, which I needed this for a recipe this month. So, and I always get the 4-pound thing of spaghetti. And we go through this maybe every month, every 2 months, just depending. But we should be good on pasta for a while. And the very last thing I got was a watermelon, and that kind of completes the Walmart haul and the second half of my groceries for July.
Mom, can you cut that in half?
Yes, I will cut it up, okay? Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to hang out with me, talk about groceries and all of the things. I do plan on doing a Sam's Club order. Very excited about that. It's gonna be the first time that I'm having everything shipped to my house. I'm gonna place that in the next couple of days. I just wanna make sure I have everything on it that I want on it. That way I don't have to place 2 orders. So I'm kind of taking my time with it, but that is gonna be ordered at some time this month as well. And I'm also ordering more food grade buckets, and we're gonna be going down the storage shelf, getting everything in really nice buckets and kind of checking another item off of the list before garden season gets too crazy. I do plan on filming that. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see any of those things. And I will catch you guys in the video. Bye.